YouTube channel, Maru's Tech. This is the first part or part 1 of the top 100 PowerPoint skills I'll be hosting or I'll be uploading on this YouTube channel, Maru's Tech. So don't forget to subscribe for the next tutorial on PowerPoint. I'm going to upload 100 PowerPoint skills that every PowerPoint designer should know. Don't forget to like the tutorial. This is the first PowerPoint skill, the first part. You're going to go to your home screen, and then on your home screen you're going to longer place and then select new, and then select any PowerPoint. Make sure that you have Microsoft Office installed on your PC, and then you're free to name this PowerPoint file as you want. So after naming it, I've named it Maru's Tech. We're going to design simple, fast and secure. So it will be looking like this in the first place. So I want you to get to know this skill. It is the easiest skill, so that you can be able to come up with something stunning. You're going to come and then click to add a new slide, and then you're going to come, what you're looking for is the slide layout. Make sure it is a blank slide. Once it is a blank slide, you're going to come where you see insert and look for shapes right here, and look for a rectangle. So you're going to put that rectangle like this. You're going to put it in halfway of the slide like this. Make sure that it covers halfway. This is the first skill. Once it covers the halfway, you're going to make it black. Once you make it black, we're going now to come back insert, then text box, and then once you choose text box, you're going to put that text box in the equator, of that slide. And then once you put it, make sure that it is in the equator like that, and then you're going to come to the font style, put up impact, and then the font size we're going to put 168, then choose to enter, then make sure that you put caps lock on, and then you're going to put in any text you want. In this case I will use Maru's Tech. Now you're going to come to this, make sure that you click onto this rectangle shape you put in the first place, and then you're going to look for shape format right here, and then in the shape format you're going to select this option, edit shape, and then edit points. You're going to come right here in the middle, and then try to drag in like this, and then after making it like that, you're going to come check onto the text box, press the control button, check onto the shape, and then you're going to come shape format, and then merge shapes, then combine like this. Once you select combine, now you are free to come, and then you're going to come insert, then video, and then stock videos. You'll be able to see, you're going to see the videos right here. I will choose one of the videos. I can choose, let me try to look for any tutorial from the stock. You can even search, but let me use this. Then I'll press insert, and then it will be one of the first skills I want you guys to learn from this YouTube channel. Once it is inserted, that tutorial, that video, if you are not able to come to these designs like this, if you're not able to get them, you're going to leave it like that, and then you're going to come and long right click in that tutorial. Now you're going to come right here, select send to back, and then once you send to back, it will be looking like this. Now you can be able to create the tutorial or the video when it is looking like that. So stunning. That is the first PowerPoint skill we have learned today. So don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to comment, any skill you want, I'll be able to guide you through it. Let us meet in the next tutorial. I'm Mistake and I sign out. There are going to be 100 skills. This is the first one.